Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
We begin this evening with commitments from the operators and the Transport Minister about changes to improve the facilities at Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston.
The update was given days after a planned outage went wrong.
Dwayne Anderson has this report.
Nearly 1 week after the worrying power outage at the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston, a high-level team led by Transport Minister Darrell Vaz toured the facility. Last week's planned power outage went on longer than expected after a problem developed with a main switchgear central to the distribution system. That affected incoming and outgoing flights. Since the incident, Minister Vaz says improvements have been made.
I am definitively seeing an improvement today in terms of the facility and, of course, the temperature in the various areas. I've had discussions in relation to some of the other things that are going to be addressed in short order. What I will get from PACAL coming out of this meeting is a short, medium, and long-term plan in terms of the upgrading of the facility. We are very aware that the facility is an old facility and the equipment here is old, such as the air conditions, etc. But there has to be a level of customer satisfaction for incoming and outgoing passengers.
The airport's management also explained to the minister that some of the upgrades for the interior of the facility had stalled due to supply issues on the global market. Minister Vaz, in the meantime, said the government would now make a decision regarding the exterior of the airport, including the runway.
Also happy to state that the negotiation or the renegotiation from the concession agreement that we have received confirmation from PACAL, which now will go back to Cabinet, and once approved by Cabinet will allow for PACAL now to start their investment program in terms of the extension of the runway and the other things that are in that concession agreement, which of course COVID has thrown off.
PAC Kingston Airports Limited is the operator of the Norman Manley International Airport, and its CEO again apologized to the country for last week's incident.
Everybody can be assured that we are taking measures to avoid that situation again. We are going to work hard. We're going to provide this plan with a short, medium, and long-term actions. But you will see a change, I can assure you, on behalf of my company and my personal opinion, you will see an important change in the following months.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.